The moment you board a long-haul flight, time seems to stretch endlessly. 10, maybe 15 hours in a cramped seat with dry cabin air and little room to move, hardly anyone's dream. But what if I told you that you could actually enjoy your flight? With a few clever hacks, even the longest journey can become a breeze. It all starts with what you wear. Think layers, breathable fabrics, and compression socks. Not only do they help with circulation, but they also keep swelling at bay. A cozy hoodie or shawl can double as a pillow or blanket, and slip-on shoes make those security lines and mid-flight bathroom trips painless. Next, let's talk sleep. Investing in the right travel pillow can make all the difference. Opt for a memory foam one with side support, not those floppy airport versions. Add a quality eye mask and noise-canceling headphones, and you've created your own sleep sanctuary. Want to level up your rest? Try melatonin or magnesium, with your doctor's advice, of course, and avoid caffeine a few hours before boarding. Seat space is limited, so pack smart. Use packing cubes in your carry-on to keep things organized, and always keep a seat kit handy with essentials, lip balm, hand lotion, face wipes, a toothbrush, snacks, and your tech. Stash it in the seat back pocket and forget about rummaging through overhead bins mid-flight. Hydration is your secret weapon. Airplane cabins are extremely dry, so bring a refillable water bottle and sip often. Herbal teas can help soothe your stomach and prep your body for rest, too. Entertainment is your final sanity saver. Download your favorite shows, podcasts, audiobooks, and offline playlists. Even better? A travel journal or puzzle book for those moments when you just need a screen break. With the right prep, your next long flight doesn't have to be a slog, it can be the start of your adventure. What's your favorite hack that transforms a long flight into a more pleasant experience?